This is going to be on an updated review since I bought this Electra Townie, was it 3 or 4 years ago? And I added a e-bikekit heavy duty rear hub motor to this bike. All right, first, let me tell you the story on this bike. Well, I moved to Arizona. I bought this bike from Michigan because I needed a nice road bike. Put it together in Michigan, was riding it. Anyway, I moved to Arizona and then I bought my Rad Mini because we have mountains and trails, more dirt. You need a fat tire bike. Well, anyway, I put this in a storage. While it was in storage, somebody rented a storage a couple of doors down from my storage. And they broke into my storage and they stole this bike. It happened on my birthday of last year. They stole this, they stole a bunch of items. Basically, they stole into 12 storages. And you know the storage places got cameras. So they tried to cover up the cameras, but they didn't cover up the camera outside the building and leaving the parking lot. So long story short, the storage knew exactly who broke into the unit and who stole the stuff. So there's an app called The Neighborhood. So I posted on the Neighborhood app that somebody had stole my bike. And somebody posted, I seen that bike on Elma School or Indian School, Elma School. And I seen somebody riding it. So I told the Mesa police they had seen somebody. Well, long story short, they caught the guy.
Gotcha, bitch.
2 days after he broke into my storage, caught him with a bunch of other people's stuff, and I got the bike back. I thought this bike was gone, but I'm so happy it's back now. But I really don't ride this bike anymore because I bought the new one. This bike my wife rides, and she loves it. I let the seat all the way down, so because she's short, she can get on it and ride it. But anyway, back to the bike. This e-bikekit motor is so fast. I want to say it does 37 miles an hour. I don't know if I changed the programming on it, but you can damn near kill yourself on this bike. It's so fast. I think I got a 14 amp hour battery or 20 amp hour battery inside it, and it will last all day and it cruises. But I have no complaints. You know, it's aluminum. All the welds are good. I put bigger pedals. I put the fenders, the water bottle holder, the handlebar extender with the headlight, the horn, the bar end mirror, suspension seat posts, the custom seat, the rear bag. What is this? Blackburn bags, the light on the back. And this is an Electra Townie 7D. Also, I changed the kickstand. Put a double kickstand so it stand up instead of leaning over. The phone mount, phone holder over your telephone. This bike cruise. And I want to say, after I posted my first video of me installing this motor, then they came out with the Townie Goes. You know, they took my idea and made it into an electric bike. I want to say they charged $2,400 or $2,700. But I believe I paid $1,500 for this kit and another $695 for the bike. So I might as well have could have gotten an Electra Go. But I think this motor is way more better quality than the one that Electra Townie sells. But this bike cruises. I like it. And if anybody thinking about converting their bike to an electric bike, it's not hard. You just change the rear rim. You put your inner tube and tire on their rim and you wire it up. You know, you do your cable management. It's not hard. Like I say, this bike cruise is completely silent. Yes, it's an amazing bike. My wife rides it now.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer.